also. So the serum that I've been using and loving a lot lately is this serum from Earthrhythm. It's called Moisture Punch, and let me tell you guys, this is one of the best serums out there. I absolutely love it. So my skin was getting really dry recently, and that's when I tried this one out and I was so impressed. If you're looking for a good hyaluronic acid serum, I highly recommend you this product. This is one of my holy grail hyaluronic acid serums. Like, I have tried a lot of serums till now, and I can promise you that this is one of the best because first of all, it has a great texture, and as I said, it is a multi-molecular hyaluronic acid serum. So by multi-molecular hyaluronic acid serum, what I mean is it has different sizes of hyaluronic acid molecules, and since it has these low sized molecules, it penetrates deep into your skin and provides you the hydration. And not only that, it also contains 5 essential ceramides. Ceramides is great. It just helps your skin retain the moisture. It plumps your skin. So ceramide is again a great ingredient, and I think because of all these ingredients, the name Moisture Punch suits this serum so much. And the thing is, the weather in particular is really dry right now because of winters, and when I started using this product, I saw such a huge difference. Like, my skin felt hydrated and plumped. It felt soft, and I feel like this is the serum which you can use all around the year, you know, because it has such a light texture. You won't feel like you're applying anything on your skin, but you'll see the difference on your skin. Can you see that? It's super light and it gets absorbed into your skin within 2 to 3 seconds. I am in love with this. So I'm just gonna put this serum. I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand. I generally like to use 1 to 2 pumps. Sometimes I be a little generous with this particular product because I really like it. And within 2 seconds, it will get soaked into your skin. And whatever is left, again, I take it down my neck. And it's already absorbed in my skin. And I love the serum, guys. So one thing to remember over here is that it's an hyaluronic acid serum. So it's very important that you apply a moisturizer on top of this, or you apply it on a damp skin, because hyaluronic acid is something that will suck the moisture out of the environment and it will give it to your skin. But if you don't have a moisturizer on your face, it's gonna suck the moisture from your skin itself, so it's gonna give you that reverse effects. So it's very important that you apply a moisturizer on top of hyaluronic acid serum if you want to actually see that difference. So yeah, that's the serum.